I welcome you to the session of interactive learning today. I will be talking about TED Ed videos, which is TED education videos. They're a great source of initiating ideation, then vocabulary enhancement, then picking up native accents, and also learning the correct pronunciation. So it is like a complete package for all the four modules: listening, reading, writing, and speaking, and hence it is ideal for our students preparing for IELTS. TED Ed videos, ed.ted.com is a place where they can pick up phrases, expressions which are spoken mostly by native English speakers. It has a library of animated video lessons about varied topics. So you can search any topic, for example, let's say nuclear, and it will give you n number of videos on the given topic. In today's lesson, I'm going to tell you how you can create an account on this teded.com and how to use it and what all you can do. The user interface, as you can see, is pretty simple. Let's start at ed.ted.com. You just need to open it. So what I'm going to do is, let me just sign out and I'll show you the whole process. So when you open this website, it will give you the option to either register or to sign in. So I'm going to register. So when you register, it will ask you whether you are a student or an educator. So I've signed in with this educator. I teach teaching and education, then I teach all these age groups, so you can select any, and then you create your account. Then you go to the home page. Okay, now let's pick up a topic. So let's pick up global warming. Let's see what we have in global warming. And okay. So let's pick up this video. Is the weather actually becoming more extreme? So let's pick it up. So what happens is, with each topic, you get these four options. One is watch. So you play the video. Let's play it. The videos are not so long also. They are quite short, 5 minutes or 6-7 minutes long.
From 2016 to 2019, meteorologists saw record-breaking heat waves around the globe, rampant wildfires in California and Australia, and the longest run of Category 5 tropical cyclones on record. The number of extreme weather events has been increasing for the last 40 years, and current predictions suggest that trend will continue. But are these natural disasters simply bad weather, or are they due to our changing climate? To answer this question, we need to understand the differences between weather and climate, what they are, how we predict them, and what those predictions can do.
So you can turn on the captions and they can read the captions and listen to the video while you're playing the video, which word is pronounced in what way. While playing the video, do pause in between. And what is the difference between weather and climate? How is the weather? And what kind of climate do you have in your country or in your state?
Tell us. Meteorologists define weather as the conditions of the atmosphere at a particular time and place. Currently, researchers can predict a region's weather for the next week with roughly 80% accuracy. Climate describes a region's average atmospheric conditions over periods of a month or more. Climate predictions can forecast average temperatures for decades to come.
Okay, now so this is the watch thing where you watch the video. The second stage comes in where you have to think. So think means there are 7 to 8 multiple choice questions about the topic. If the student has watched the video properly, he or she will be able to answer the questions correctly. For example, which of these is a statement about weather? It will be hot. It never rains. It rained a lot. Tornadoes are common. So let's say if I save my answer and that wasn't it. So if I try again and if I also get the video hint,
to answer this question,
so it will play the audio right where the answer is.
But they can't.
So similarly, they can answer all the rest of the questions. Then we come to the next stage, which is dig deeper. Now, dig deeper means you can get additional information about the topic in the form of reading, additional resources for the students to explore, educators' website. So these are all hyperlinks that will take you to another website, and you can know about the facts, the information on that particular topic in greater depth. Right, so this is for deeper understanding of it. Another thing that we can do, the discussion part. So click on discuss and it will give you the option to view discussion. So let me just open the view discussion. What actions can we take to prevent Earth's climate from warming too much? What trade-offs are involved? Now, this is a question related to this particular video. But a similar type of question can be framed, or we can tweak this question a bit and make it a writing task 2 question, or even a cue card question. For example, let's make it a writing task 2 question. What actions can we take to prevent Earth's climate from warming too much? So we can say global warming is negatively affecting, or it is adversely affecting the countries. What are the problems associated with global warming, and what solutions would you recommend to solve this problem? So this becomes a problem solution essay. Then, do you think global warming is affecting the Earth's climate a lot? To what extent do you feel? Right, so it can become an opinion essay, it can become an agreement essay, it can become a problem solution or cause and effect. So you can make at least 4 or 5 different types of essays from one given topic. This video is talking a lot about the ideas plus the supporting ideas plus the examples. And if you see these discussions, it will definitely enlighten you on the different steps that we can take to prevent the Earth's climate from warming too much. Pause the video and note the vocabulary items. Student who knows English or who speaks English fluently, we talk about global warming, right? In 2 minutes, talk about the global warming, what are the effects of global warming and how we can prevent it. Or the writing task 2 for the same. And thus, we can improve on their band score from a very average 5 to a 6.5 within 2-3 weeks. Thank you.